This video is going to walk you through clearing your cache on multiple different browsers. First, I'll explain cache. Cache is essentially a way of saving snapshots of things you've previously seen online. So if you visit a website, your cache will store images and versions of that website so that when you revisit it at a later date, it uses your previous data that's stored, all those snapshots, to load the site faster. That way it doesn't have to load it from scratch. So clearing your cache is typically done for one of a few reasons most of the time. And the reason you're probably doing it is to make sure you're seeing the most recent version of a website, whether it be yours or someone else's. If you visited a website yesterday and a change was made to the look or functionality of that website, and then you're revisiting it today to see that change, without clearing your cache, you'll only be seeing the older version. So any new changes, you need to clear your cache in order to see those. The other reason is sometimes things will function improperly or get stuck. That can also be due to the cache. Typically that's more involved though. But this will walk you through clearing your cache in Firefox, Google Chrome, and Internet Explorer. So the first one I'm going to show you how to clear the cache on is Firefox, which is what you're seeing now. Now you'll notice I'm on a Firefox search page, but it does not matter which page you're on. You can clear your cache from any web page, from your email, Facebook, website. It does not matter the web page. This is strictly a function of the browser itself. So once you have a Firefox tab like this open, what you're going to look for is the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. It's your application menu. Once you click on that, you'll pull down a new menu, and what you'll see is history right here. You want to click on your history. This will typically show you your recent history as well as a few other options. What you want to click on is clear recent history. So again, that's three horizontal lines down to history, then click on clear recent history. Once you click on that, it will open this pop-up here. There's a couple different settings here. The way you need to have it set up is you need to select the time range, which is your first setting. There's the option of last hour all the way up to what's called everything. You want to make sure everything is selected on this one. And then below that you have multiple different boxes that can be checked. Things like browsing and download history, active logins, forms, and search history. The only box you want checked is your cache box right here. So your time range is set to everything, and the only box checked is cache. Once you have this done, click OK, and you've cleared your cache. That was the Firefox. Next one I'm going to show you is on Google Chrome. Again, I'm on a Google search page, but it doesn't matter which page I'm on. What I'm looking for here is three vertical dots. Once that's clicked on, I'm going to go down to History again. When I hover over History, another menu will pop out to the left, and the top button on this menu is History. So again, you're going to go three vertical dots down to History, and then click the history to the left of that. Pulls up this page, which shows my recent history, as well as a new menu here on the left. So once you click that open, you want to find clear browsing data. When you click on that, a similar pop-up from Firefox will come up. This one has almost the same settings. The first one is basic or advanced. You want to stay on basic. Next one is the time range, but instead of everything on this time range, what you're looking for is all time. Once all time is selected, you want to make sure the only one of these three boxes checked is cache, or in this case, cached images and files, and click Clear Data. So again, that was Chrome. The last one I'm going to show you here is Internet Explorer or Microsoft Edge. Very similar process. Once you have the page open, you're looking for three horizontal dots. Once you click on that, you will go down to History. Once you click History, it'll open up a tab of your recent history, and you're looking for another set of three horizontal dots. Click on that, and then click Clear Browsing Data. Same pop-up. This one, time range needs to be set to all time, and make sure the only one of these boxes checked is cache. Once that's done, hit Clear Now. And that is clearing your cache on all three browsers. If you still have any questions or would like a physical walkthrough of doing this, we do offer that as a service. Please feel free to reach out and we can do that for you. Thank you so much.